Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm really excited about this release because, well, one includes finally that cute little pinata folded that I did for my baby's second birthday party, the Taco Tuesday that we did, which is really fun, and I know a lot of you have been waiting for that pinata. Also, this is kind of like the summer release kind of thing, because we now have, by popular request, because I went a little step further. A lot of times it's really fun. People will ask me, oh, I wish you would design this. And then I take that idea, but then I expand on it. And that's exactly what I did here. Here we go. It is a ball folded. It fits in an A2 size envelope, but remember, it's a ball, right? But it also comes with 5 stencils. What? I know, right? Okay, check this out. So you can make this ball a button with 4 holes or 2 holes. You can make it a baseball, a golf ball, soccer ball, basketball, or volleyball, simply by using the different stencils that I made for you. So there's the golf ball, look at that. Here's the volleyball, here's the soccer ball, here's the basketball, and here is the baseball. I know. What other ball is there, right? I mean, how awesome is that? So the stencils literally come in the kit. You're also getting either 4 circle dies or 2 circle dies, depending on what kind of button you want to make. I know, isn't that awesome? Comes together, it's awesome. Okay, then we have our gorgeous, hello, yes, I know, best thing in the world, the folded pinata. I cannot tell you how many times I've used this one already. It's awesome. Used it on the banners for the baby's birthday party. Then, now let's switch gears a little bit and do 4th of July, okay? Here we have the United States as a folded. What? I know, isn't that cool? Now the best part about it, see this huge USA? Look at the size of that USA. It is awesome. And let me grab a sample really quick of that USA. Look at that USA. You are going to be using that USA by itself also. Many times. The USA is really fun. This says Happy 4th of July at the bottom. It also comes with lots and lots of stars in one big strip of stars, which is nice because then you don't have to line them up. Also a whole bunch of just little tiny random stars, which is always nice also, right? Then I am including in the release 4th of July epoxy dots, right? Because hello, we need epoxy dots. So this is a 3-pack of 4th of July colors, which is always handy. And to finish off the release, dotted circles background. However, these look more like fireworks to me. Look at this. Hello, does that look like fireworks or what? Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love it. Here's another example. Add some fireworks from the Fireworks for Squirrel and the strip die set. Look at that. Boom. Fireworks. Is that amazing or what, right? Now here's a cute one with that USA die set. Congratulations, never stop exploring if somebody's going out and moving states. I actually have a cousin that's going completely to 2 different, he's gonna move to a different state. How fun would that be? Here's a cute little stuffy that Michelle made, and she put a cute little heart where she lives in Georgia. She included Alaska, included cute little Hawaii as a little stuffy, which I absolutely love. Here we have 4th of July, USA. Look at that USA, isn't it fun? Lots of fun to paper piece. Look at the inside. Let's celebrate. Love it. Especially if you're having a barbecue, perfect, right? Here is another one. Let's celebrate. You could use our dandelions. How perfect for fireworks. I love it. I love it, I love it. Here's a cute one, USA. I love that. Look how fun that is. Happy 4th of July. How fun to get a card like this in the mail, right? How fun people are gonna get these cards. Look, you can make a little flag out of it, which is really fun. USA. Here's a cute one, USA. I love that USA. You guys are gonna use that USA way more than you think you are. Oh, and then there's that strip of die stars all in one line, which is really handy. Look at that, so cute. Now, one more. Michelle did this cute little fun little decoration. You know she's all about the decorations, which I absolutely love because you know I love to do my home decor tray things, and now I'm trying to expand my horizons on all my decorations. So there are a limited amount of these stands on our website in the home decor section, a very limited amount. They're sold in packs of 5. We're not reordering these, but look how cute it is to make a little stuffy and put a little stick in the bottom, and now you have a decoration. Isn't that fun? Here's another cute one. You could add a little bobbin if you want to, but look how cute this is. Perfect for your home decor. Look at that. I love it. I love it. Okay. Oh, and I saved it. Look, you can tell there was frosting on it. This is an example of the cake topper I used for their party using our original Pinata set. Here is the banner. This is the fold it I used for their banner. So you can see the size difference because, you know, it's always helpful to see the size difference. There we go. Here's a cute one. Absolutely awesome. Linda made this for me for my baby's birthday party because it was a Taco Tuesday. Get it? 2 because they turned 2 and there's 2 of them. Who would have thought we'd have twins in the family? And look how cute this is, little candies. There's our cute little pinata, perfect for their picture right there. In fact, I think I'm gonna not even frame this. I'm gonna get like a little clothespin and hang it in their playroom. How cute will that be so they can see their picture in there? Now I have other samples of the cute little pinatas. Here's a cute one. Look how adorable that is. Now don't forget, it can also be, dun, 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 a card. Perfect for scrapbook pages, but also a card, also for home decor. Look at this. We're gonna use our items in different ways. It's always more fun, right? Here's another one, just by changing the colors. Use a little bit of acetate so that hangs by itself. Isn't that fun? Now, are you ready for the balls? Let me tell you guys, you're gonna have so much fun with these. First of all, Michelle is awesome. She made a fun little banner. I love how cute this is. Play ball. Now, I'll be honest. I'm gonna have to give this to Carter, or also known as Car, my 9-year-old nephew, because he is the baseball player in the family. And this is perfect. I would love to hang this on his door the next time he has a game. Wouldn't that be cute? Play ball! I love it. And look how that nice little stuffy. I love the stuffies. I love, and Michelle knows I do, so she always makes them. I love it. Here's a cute one with the Ken doll playing soccer. I absolutely love this. How do you make this net? You're gonna use our dotted square and our, I wanna make sure I say the right one, the hexagon die background. Love it. And then there's our soccer ball. Open it up. I'm so proud of you. Or let's do a volleyball. Volleyball, my friends? Okay. Beach volleyball is my favorite. Not that I've ever played it. Beach volleyball, it says, look at that, rocks. I love it. Here's a cute one with our little Liam. The last swing could win the game. Never give up. And in fact, that's a good one for Carter too. Oh my goodness, all these cute ones for Carter, my little baseball guy. Here's another fun one, baseball life. Open it up. The last swing could win the game. Or let's take that and make it a button. Look at that. You are so much fun. Happy birthday to the best friend a gal could ever have. Isn't that adorable? The fun little 4-hole button. Or let's look at a soccer ball. Maybe you have soccer people in your family, coach or a coach. Look at that, soccer rocks. I love it. This is using the soccer ball fold it and stencil, the sports to stamp, foxes to stamp, and the alpha beta dies. Look how cute those are. Absolutely love it. Okay, here's a cute one. Look at this, coach. And this is like a little mini book. I love this. You're gonna open it up. And let's see, we have a basketball, we have a baseball, we have a soccer, perfect spots to put pictures, right? A soccer ball and a volleyball. Perfect example of all the balls in the kit, right? Volleyball, soccer ball, all with stencils, baseball, and wait for it, basketball. Isn't that awesome? And then start with the coach. I love it. Here's another basketball. Cheryl did this one, I can tell, because she added the 3D ink dots all over that. Here's just a cute little button. Sometimes you just need a cute little button, right? A four-hole button. There's a volleyball. These are the ones that went on the packaging. So they're a little more boring just because they went on packaging. There's the baseball. There's the soccer ball. There's the golf ball. And there's the basketball. My friends, club members, yes, you know the deal. You're getting the club discount on all of these products, 15 to 20% off. Some of these items are probably the first 24 hours on our website. Flash sale. Say that again. Flash sale. Meaning the first 24 hours they're on our website or until they sell out, you are, whichever's first, you are going to get a discounted flash sale price, and club members are gonna get their discount on top of that, meaning they're gonna pay even less. I know, it's amazing. It pays to put down on your calendar the days we release products. Now, of course, I went too fast on a lot of those. Don't worry, you guys. We have an online gallery with thousands of ideas. Go to whatever item you're buying, click on the View Product Gallery, and all of those ideas are gonna pop up for your enjoyment. Now, I love these as much as you do. I hope you're a club member, so you're getting the club discount on these. If you're not in the club, make sure you click on our website, join the club, and just watch the video. You're gonna find out how awesome it is, and you know what? You're gonna wanna join. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.